Hi guys, welcome to my social studies unit plan, which I named All About Communities. I wanted to share my lesson 5, which is called My Community. This unit is intended for 3rd grade, and it's very specific to this grade because in previous years, they are not formally taught about these communities. They're just kind of introduced to them, but they don't really go into detail. And in my unit, they will. So before I get into detail about my lesson 5, I just want to talk about my other previous lessons so that you can see how it applies to them. So lesson 1 is just about learning how communities used to look now and then. So they'll be able to have a foundation to see, or like, oh, this is how this looked like, or how it came to be. They will be able to see all these changes. That's what I want to do with my lesson 1. Lesson 2. They will be learning about each individual community, so rural, suburban, and urban. They will learn about the physical, human, and cultural characteristics so that they can see for themselves how they compare, but how they are also similar to each other. Lesson 3, it's about influential people in the community, so people who have made changes, movements, who have invented things or machinery, like things like that, and how it has affected the community in positive or negative ways. And my lesson number 4 is about local government, which is the unit of government that applies to communities. And then my lesson number 5, which is the one I will be talking about, I call it a wrap-up lesson because it's going to include all of these concepts that students learned from my previous lesson. They will be creating a brochure, so that's my big activity, where they will include influential people, the physical, cultural, and human characteristics. They'll have their own local government, and whatever they want to include there, it's gonna be their own creation. So they're gonna create their community from scratch. They're gonna give it a title. They're gonna choose a setting. They can pick the climate. They can pick the people who can live there. Anything. So it's going to be a fun project. I decided that I wanted it to be something that they could be creative with instead of a regular test. These are the standards that I chose and that I think aligned with my lesson. So they'll be using multiple sources from previous lessons. And then for theme 3 for the NCSS, they will be including all of these people, places, and environments within their brochures. My lesson objectives, like I said, they're going to use material and content from the previous lessons. They will create a brochure focusing on these things that I want them to include, and I'll show you exactly what I want in that brochure. I created something there. And then number 3, they will be able to compare the different types of communities. So they're going to create their own, but they're also going to see how they are similar and different to one another. Lesson contents, brochure, public, advertise, persuade. I chose to put advertise and persuade because since they are creating their own community, I want them to persuade their peers or classmates to come live there. So this is the whole point of the activity. They're going to share their brochures and they're going to talk about how great each community is, and they're going to try to make people go live there. So I thought those were important. These are the materials and supplies. For my technology piece, I chose a Kahoot game where we will review content from the other lessons, and then I have the brochure template with the things that I am going to require, and then just the other fancy materials that we need. So the directions I shortened it so that it wasn't too much for you guys. So just review the concepts, play the Kahoot game, and then they can get working on their brochure. And this right here is all that I'm requiring. And obviously they can add their own pictures and drawings, and they can even include more than this. They can use the backside to put more stuff. And then we're going to present, and we're going to try to persuade one another and see who has the best community out there. Accommodations and modifications, of course. They can design a poster if they like, or they can just write a paper and tell us about their community. And that is it for my lesson. I hope you guys see the purpose of this, and I am looking to seeing everyone else's lessons. I'm very excited. Have a great summer. Thank you.